Your team. VidaFirst, the company, is the marketing and sales arm of a successful medical, pharmaceutical manufacturing company located in Tennessee. The manufacturer was founded in 1992 with a focus on providing effective chronic wound products, pain products and anti-infection products that fight against serious and often life-threatening infections. Its patented products have been successfully marketed internationally by some of the most important medical, pharmaceutical entities in the world. In response to the SARS-CoV-2 or the coronavirus pandemic, the company developed a new product line called VidaFirst to be commercialized worldwide by VidaFirst. The VidaFirst line of products are manufactured in state-of-the-art pharmaceutical manufacturing facilities in the United States and have patented advanced pathogenic and virus-killing properties. The company's owners have developed patented technologies to meet the needs of the world with both medical and cosmetic applications. VidaFirst's experienced management team specializes in R&D, manufacturing, fulfillment, and distribution and is launching the new line of products globally to help fight the COVID-19 pandemic. The VidaFirst Success Team is here for you to empower you with innovative marketing materials and training. Join our team at vfsuccessteam.com.